Everybody wants an Alox Rambler, right? I've done tons of videos on the 58mm Victorinox knives and get so many comments from people saying, oh, I just wish Victorinox did an Alox or Alox Rambler, and myself included think that would be absolutely fantastic. Maybe the perfect little urban EDC knife, but they don't do them. I know Swiss Bianco occasionally did some very limited ones of these years and years ago, Alox Ramblers. But otherwise, apart from paying a custom knife maker, you can't get them. But very recently on Etsy, I discovered a seller called Tessix, who is a guy or an organisation, I'm not sure which, a chap in Germany who makes 3D printed super thin scales, and I got a set here for 58mm Swiss Army knives, and so I've literally just got these in the post via Etsy, and I specifically bought a brand new Rambler to put these replacement scales on to make the closest equivalent that I can easily access for a Alox Rambler. So let's just get this little packet open. Only just got these, never seen them before, just opened the packet. And these are just mega thin, minimalist 3D printed scales. I'm going to assume they're made out of PLA. Let's just zoom in. If you zoom in, you can just see the layer lines there, but they look pretty clean and neat. And importantly, they do look flat. And this guy does a ton of different colours on his website, and he does 58mm scales and 91mm scales, these thin minimalist ones. So I did specifically buy a brand new Rambler from Amazon last week or the week before, whatever. I paid about 27 quid for this. So there it is, brand new, nice and shiny. I'm going to whip the scales off this one and get these ones on, and we'll see what's what with it. Join me on this journey.
So I'm just going to take the tweezers and toothpick out
and pop these scales off. Let's see if I can do it without damaging them. I'm not doing the thing where you soak them in hot water, I just can't be bothered. Just want to get these new scales on and see. I'm going to use a can opener tool with its thin blade to just try and pop these scales off. So let's just have a look then. He's going to fit okay? I have no idea. Press those on there. Okay, that side has literally just pressed on absolutely perfectly. Let's get the other scale on. Dude, that's it. That's literally it. Okay, so those have literally just pressed on, and that is a perfect fit. That's basically the equivalent of an Alox Rambler. Super thin. Obviously, I've lost the tweezers and toothpick there. Those are really precisely made and 3D printed. I really like that. Let's have a look. So here I've got a classic SD, which obviously is the thinnest Swiss Army knife really you can get, and this Rambler with those scales on it is obviously thicker, but that is still a wafer thin little pocket tool. Let's just compare it to a couple of other 58mm Swiss Army knives. Here I've got just a bog standard Rambler. This is a really old one, and with these scales on, yeah, it's a good couple of millimeters thinner than a standard Rambler. And here is a Manager, and again that's a good fit, bit thinner than a Manager model. Here I've got a Rambler model without any scales on, and you know, you could possibly just carry that in your pocket on a keychain or whatever, but I suspect you'd get a fair bit of pocket wear from the brass pins here just sticking out. I don't know, because I've not actually tried carrying like this. They're not exactly sharp or anything, but these scales sit completely flush with the brass pins, so you've not got any sticky out bits using these. So yeah, as a concept and as an actual product, I do really like that. Is it worth it? I mean, a standard Rambler is hardly a massive bulk in your pocket, is it? So I don't know whether I would do this again. I do like the yellow, easy to find if you drop it, but I think I might choose a different colour if I was going to do this again. And these were £9.80, these scales from Tessix, plus about about 6 quid odd shipping as well from Germany to me here in the UK. So I paid about 16 quid to get these scales to me here. The Rambler I bought for 27 quid plus 16 quid scales. So to get this slim Rambler, it cost me 46 quid in total. Is that worth it? You can get a Rambler for around 30 quid if you're lucky on a good day on Amazon, under 30 quid. Worth an extra 16 quid for these scales? I don't know. Do love this. This is great. I certainly can't afford to hunt on websites to buy a Swiss Bianco Alox Rambler for the hundreds of quids those go for nowadays. So this is a very good way of getting an Alox Rambler equivalent for relatively little money, but then it's relatively expensive for these scales. So what do you think? You can't buy a Manager anymore, which is my favourite model. And if you want to make a Manager from a Rambler, you also have to pay about sort of, round about 10 to 15 quid for the pen scales. You've got to buy the slider, so you're investing a bit of money to get something other than a standard Rambler nowadays. So yeah, tough one. I'm going to carry this. I'm going to EDC this for a while. I do really like it. I know I've bought it. That's great. I'm going to go with it and run with it. What do you guys think? Is it worth the extra cash? Superb idea. Great that someone is making and offering this as a product. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this one. It'd be great to hear what you guys think. You get the superb Urban EDC tool set of the Rambler in this wafer thin package, but whilst also losing the tweezers and toothpick. I can live with losing the tweezers and toothpick, to be honest. Yeah, I just wanted to show you and get your opinions on this one. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.